morning everyone, and today we are making a cauliflower marinated salad. We would need a cauliflower, garlic, carrot, vinegar, olive oil, ground coriander, turmeric, bay leaf, some water, salt. So let's get started. First I'll remove the leaves and cut the cauliflower into smaller florets. Also you would need to peel your garlic. I've got 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. The next step is preparing your carrot. I've got a medium-sized carrot. You can use a slicer or food processor to grind your carrot. Okay, so now for marinade we will need black pepper, whole cloves, bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of salt, and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. 50 milliliters of olive oil. So this is 50 milliliters of olive oil, or quarter of a cup. And also we would need white vinegar, 100 milliliters. This is half of a cup. 100 milliliters or half of a cup. So the next ingredient is turmeric ground. It will give our cauliflower very nice golden color. And the turmeric we need just a quarter of a teaspoon. Also we would need a ground coriander. 1 teaspoon. Bring 1 liter of water to boil. Once water starts boiling, we need to add all our ingredients for marinade. First we add salt and sugar. Make sure it is all dissolved. After that we need to add all our spices, turmeric, coriander, bay leaf, cloves and pepper. Everything goes there. So, and the last should be olive oil and vinegar. Once you add olive oil and vinegar, it's time to add our cauliflower. Cover with a lid and leave for 1 minute to boil. After that we will turn off the heat. Meanwhile I will chop my garlic. And I'll add it to my carrot. Garlic and carrot we need to add at the last moment. After we've added all the ingredients, our cauliflower should boil for 1 minute, no more. So we still want it to be crunchy. After 1 minute, I'll turn off the heat. Now I need to add my carrot and garlic. Mix it all together. Cover with my lid and leave it until it's cooled down completely. Run the marinated cauliflower through the colander to remove all the marinade and let it drip for a little bit. And our delicious marinated salad is ready. This marinated cauliflower salad is a perfect side dish. You can also add a chili pepper, jalapenos if you prefer to make it spicier.